Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will explore the use of modern, large-scale machinery in the harvesting and chopping of corn for livestock feed. In the context of modern agriculture, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing production efficiency and product quality. Today, we will delve into how these advanced equipment have completely transformed the corn harvesting process, bringing numerous benefits to farmers and the livestock industry. Large-scale agricultural machinery has brought significant benefits to the corn harvesting process. Firstly, these machines enhance labor productivity. With their powerful capacity, modern machinery can cover large areas in a short period, far surpassing manual methods. This not only saves time, but also reduces labor costs. Secondly, these machines are equipped with advanced technology to preserve the quality of corn throughout the harvesting process. Modern cutting and chopping systems ensure uniform and fine chopping of corn, creating high-quality livestock feed. This is crucial for ensuring the health and productivity of livestock. Lastly, large-scale agricultural machinery helps optimize workflow, minimize waste, and protect the environment. With intelligent control systems, operators can monitor and adjust technical parameters precisely, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimizing negative environmental impacts. We will now follow the corn harvesting process using modern machinery. Firstly, large combine harvesters will advance into the cornfields. With their powerful capacity, they can harvest hundreds of tons of corn per day. Integrated cutting and chopping systems allow corn to be harvested and chopped finely right in the field, creating immediate livestock feed. After chopping, large tractors will take on the task of transportation. With their strong pulling capacity, these tractors can haul trucks filled with chopped corn to storage or processing facilities. Automated steering systems and intelligent technology support ensure smooth and efficient transportation. Next, the chopped corn will be stored in silos or warehouses. Modern equipment ensures optimal storage conditions, keeping the corn dry and free from damage. This process is crucial for maintaining the quality of livestock feed during storage. Finally, we will consider how finely chopped corn is used in livestock feed. Corn is an essential source of nutrition for livestock, poultry, and other animals. Finely chopped corn not only provides complete nutrition, but is also easy to digest, promoting healthy growth and productivity in livestock. With the use of modern machinery, farmers can ensure a year-round supply of high-quality feed for their livestock. This not only increases livestock productivity, but also improves the quality of products such as meat, milk, and eggs. This brings significant economic benefits to farmers and contributes to the sustainable development of the agricultural sector. In conclusion, today's video has highlighted the importance of using modern, large-scale machinery in corn harvesting and chopping. These devices not only enhance productivity and corn quality, but also optimize workflow and minimize environmental impact. With the support of technology, the agriculture and livestock industries are entering a new era where efficiency and sustainability are paramount. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next videos.